Opposition leader Ronnie Lyngdoh of the Congress on Wednesday suggested the need to have AIIMS Institute in the state. During the question hour, Lyngdoh wanted the government to pursue the matter by upgrading NAGRIMS to the status of AIIMS. Health Minister Ampreen Lyngdoh acknowledged the significance of the AIIMS nomenclature and its appeal to patients. She assured that NAGRIMS as an autonomous institution was already in the process of expansion and improvement, with plans to enhance facilities such as radiology and oncology. Furthermore, she revealed a conversation between the Chief Minister and herself, expressing their intention to draft a proposal to the Union Health Ministry to establish an AIIMS-like institution within Meghalaya.
Why Meghalaya has not written so far to upgrade NAGRIMS to AIIMS-like institutes?
NAGRIMS, in all probability, it will have as many facilities. It would expand shortly. You must have seen the Ayurvedic Niyas just next door. And there is going to be a state-of-the-art oncology department with very high-tech facilities for radiology and other kinds of facilities. However, since the tag AIIMS means a lot to patients in general, just to inform the Honourable Member that the former Health Minister, the Honourable Chief Minister, is well seized and informed of this matter.
AITC leader and